All right, I want to show you something that is super, super cool. That's right, my little RovR 45-liter cooler. And we've been using this thing for a couple years now. And it just goes anywhere, everywhere, the beach, the mountains, anywhere that we want to go spend the day or even a weekend and throw some ice in here. It's going to do the job really, really, really well. And I've never ran out of ice. Now, I bought one bag of ice before because honestly, that's all that they had. And I threw it in here. And in 2 days, I didn't have to get another bag of ice. Now, it was kind of melted, but there was still ice chunks floating on that one bag of ice. It kept our food from spoiling and going bad. Now, this is a 45-liter cooler, so it's going to give you enough for a 3 to 4 day camping trip for sure. Obviously, you can put stuff in here, and that's pretty cool because you can slide it to either side right here. Now, I want to show you one of the features that kind of sold me on it when I was getting it for the first time was how this just locks right here. And it really has a solid locking mechanism that keeps that airtight. So it just locks like that. It's pretty clean. These tires go anywhere and everywhere. But this drain plug is super awesome. Check that out. It feels like a mattress, an air mattress, where it just drains. It keeps it nice and insulated when you want it. And then when you undo it, the water just spills out and makes cleaning a breeze. No hassle, no fuss, no muss, right? You have a handle on this side, you have a handle on this side, so if you need to lift it up and carry it, you can do that as well. But why are you lifting it up when it has one of these, right? And again, any terrain, it's gonna go, look at that, just one finger right there. It's going anywhere and everywhere. You can take it on any kind of terrain that you want. Now, I know there's a lot of options out there when it comes to coolers, but I'm gonna tell you, we've had this one for a long time, and you can go wrong with the RollR 45 by RovR. I mean, we've had it for a long time and we're completely satisfied by it. Great job.